yan, boy.
Big one or the same?
Huh? Oh my.
روح قدام.
Yes! 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 Hold on. Wait.
Next time, habang nood tayo guys ng movie natin, Clash of the Titans. Okay, so dito na po tayo guys, touchdown na tayo. Grabe, ang haba ng pila kanina sa immigration. So siguro more than 100 people siguro yung nasa harap namin, kaya natagal lang kami, higit 1 oras. So dito tayo ngayon nag-rent a car. So yun ang order ni boss para easy sa amin ang pagbiyahe. Okay, so mula dito sa airport papunta sa Jebel Sifa, so more than 1 hour din. After that, pahinga ng konti siguro, tapos 5 AM yun na ang trip namin sa pag-fishing. So sana lang pala rin tayo ngayon para medyo okay din yung biyahe natin. Syempre once in a lifetime opportunity lang to, all expenses paid, so kailangan natin ibuhos ang lahat na makakaya natin para sa busing natin. Okay, hintayin natin tong sasakyan para makalayas na tayo. Natapos na rin tayo, so nakarentaan tayo ng sasakyan at saka ayan sa ang Land Cruiser sana eh. So nakarentaan tayo ng sasakyan, kunin natin dito. Ang nirentahan pa natin is X-Trail, bali 25 reals per day, 2 days na nirent, so 50 Omani reals. Oh, ito na. So ayan na po, ito na siguro. So check na natin. Ang problema kanina, nagka-problema pa kami ni Erwin, nawala yung wala talagang internet, ang hina. So naghanap ako kung saan ako makakonect ng internet para ma-open ko yung maps. Buti may mga kabayan doon, naka-connect tayo. So ngayon guys, papuntahan tayo kay Busing sa Hilton Hotel. Okay, so mga around 56 minutes pa. So kita-kits mamaya. Wala nang pahinga to. Grabe, Diyos ko. Ay, tulog ka na pre, kasi pag maka-strike ako mamaya, ikaw ang umatak eh. Ay. Okay guys, so dito na po tayo sa banda ng ng lugar na to. Basta ito rin noon guys yung lagi kong dinadaanan kapag gumawa ako ng mga events sa Shangri-La, sa Sur. Pag gumagawa ako ng mga weddings, ito din yung daan. Napakalayo ng mga wedding hall dito guys, umaabot ng mga tag 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers yung biyahe noon. So parang wala pa rin pagbabago, ganun pa rin no? Okay guys, ganito yan sa Oman kung titingnan nyo. O yung mga donkey nasa kahit saan lang oh. Mga wild yung mga donkey nila dito guys. Okay, so andito tayo guys. So here with me now is Dia. Okay, so we'll go now to Jebel Sifa guys. Okay guys, so we are already here at Jebel Sifa and it's 5 AM
Outside the city.
where Sifa, yeah, right side.
Yeah, it looks the city.
Very quiet,
The city.
very peaceful place.
From
Oh my.
that is the province we call it. Megalpur.
Donkeys are everywhere. Donkeys, goats, they are wild guys. Oh my. So we're here already guys at the Sifawi Hotel. This is where we have to stay. So here na. Okay. Mag-check-in muna tayo. Oh, ganda. So dito tayo mag-stay guys. And also dito na rin tayo sasakay ng boat. Wow, ganda dito guys. Hindi, isa nga tayo mag ano, yung mag check-in tayo.
Ikaw na bahala mo sa mag-asikaso sa check-in. Ano ang pangalan ng check-in? Anong pangalan mo?
Hindi, may dalawa akong shit. Welcome to ano nga to?
Kayamanin.
Ano nga to? Well, ano to? Ano? Yung hotel natin, ano nga to? Ah, Sifawi Hotel. Sifawi Boutique Hotel. Jebel Sifa, Oman. Okay, so andun daw. So,
Go right.
okay. Thank you.
Go right. On the right hand side, you will find your.
Okay. So our room guys is 108. Okay, here it is. Welcome. Oh my goodness.
Very nice.
Very nice.
It's cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
We can just turn off the AC. Why no light? See?
In front of the pool.
It's better you will transfer here. You will
Finish,
be
I already
together.
paid. I already paid there.
Oh.
But the car key to the light.
Huh? Need a...
The key card to the light.
Oh my, it's
I have a full
Huh?
yeah.
like this?
Give me your.
Oh, shit. Right. Una nating i-check yung ating bathroom. Oh. Oh, may shower tayo dito. Okay. Hey! Ba't walang ilaw? Okay. And check it out guys. Grabe. Bang! It's a pool, man. Very relaxing. This is my son from another place, Dia. And this is my boss, Mr. Abdullah. Oh my, very thank you so much, bro.
No problem.
Oh my,
Very excited.
of course. Alright.
Hi, bro.
Hi bro, so thank you bro.
Thank you.
So this is the bar. Have a widescreen.
ده أول مرة تروح تونة؟
أول مرة تكون هنا في قطر عندنا
Very
بس
nice
كان
boat.
عاد كوين فيش
نعم
بس تونة أول مرة.
إن شاء الله اليوم إن شاء الله.
Okay guys, so from here in the port, so I think we need to travel like around 3 hours going to the fishing spot. So when we reach there, we have to look for the activity for the tuna. So our main focus now guys is catching tuna. So cross finger. Okay, it's all big reels like 20,000 Saragossa, 20,000 sa Saragossa, also Saragossa, all Saragossa. Saragossa, oh Saragossa. And that one is Shimano SOLRSA. Okay, and this is for live bait, guys.
كذا القوة يمكن
Yeah, we have a lot of fish for the live bait. Wow, guys. I can stay here all my life.
مو الاخبار؟ كيف الحال؟ مو اخباركم طيبين؟ ايه اكبر لغاية امه. بص
Yeah, yellow. What do you want? Orange one. That side, that side. Yeah. No.
هذا كوع يطلع طاقوع سهولي سهول كمان كمان
Go. Pull like that. Reel, pull. Yeah, sunod yeah. Make it splash lah. See? That's how you play. Wow.
عبد الله نرفع شوي شوي وركز في النم لا قدام قدام شوي قدام
Wow. Yes. Come on, boy.
بلابس البرازيل من اسمه؟
Wow.
عبد الله بلابس البرازيل من اسمه؟
ديا ضياع
ديا
ايه
ديا دي ماريا
Oh my God. Come on.
هذا إذا بغيت هذا الله
Come here, come here.
كيف حمد نازل أنا حيدي
سير
All right. Yeah, come on. That's my boy. All right.
والله تارك منك
Yay! Woohoo! That's your fish. Oh my! Wow! Woo! Wow! Very first tuna. All right.
قدام قدام خليه يروح
Come Dia, come to the front, come
قدام
come
Ha? Ay, buga. Sa kabila pa ako nagkas.
عبد الله البلك وراك كذا يبغى
Go Dia, come on. Come on, boy.
شكرا.
ما شاء الله. لا هو حمد الدكتوراه.
Ano mga gusto? Tatagawag ng baka para maayos.
بدك تكتب حاول تمام ورسل كل قطعة صغيرة لكن فيها معدن. اوكي لا وصل للإعدادية؟ هذه أسأله؟
It's okay ديت؟
وصل للإعدادية؟ يا ولا قطعة صغيرة لكن عقب المعدود فيه.
كويس.
Guys, so one for Abdullah and one for Dia. Alright.
So guys, we're still hoping to catch the big ones. Okay, we still have a lot of time, guys. Oh, and the dolphins are everywhere.
Good sign.
So in Qatar we are looking for fish, but here in Oman we are looking for dolphins. See, a lot of dolphins there. Oh my. So here guys, we are using a Shimano Saragosa 20,000 and I think 100 grams of popper. Yeah.
Jetro baba.
Ah,
Baba ka dito para makahabol siya. That is the routine.
yeah.
That is will be our routine. After cast, go down. Okay. Solo. Gusto yan ang dolphin. Kaya napapunta siya.
Hindi, siya yung... Oh,
Dulo, slowly ha. Ghost dolphin kami.
yeah.
Nice one. Okay, so.
Ayun na, pre! Yeah!
Francis, Francis,
Lapit na, pre! Lapit na, pre! Oh, yes! 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 Hold on! Wait! Hold him, Dia! Hold him! Hold him at the back! At the back, not his hand!
Hold my back here.
Hold my...
Okay.
Hold on. Dia! 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 Go down! Dia!
Here, go catch, go catch.
Power! Power! Tension! Faster!
How come this one?
Come.
How come this one now?
هذا اللي هنا تحت.
No.
Yeah, go away.
Oh shit.
The thing is, what you do when you catch it, you make him a hook set. The irritation is pulling. What is pulling? That's why I tell you, pull. You need to hook set. So
You remember what I told you before that you have to set it up in the...
this one should. Dia is still fighting there.
Wow!
It's the cord there.
Yeah. Come on, Dia. Let's see. When I cast, when it touch the water, boom.
Touch, yeah.
That's why you need once you hook up, you need to hook set. Pump
I
it
told you
2-3
one time,
times,
yeah.
okay?
So it will set up in this. Nice, Dia.
This time.
Come on.
Yeah.
You.
خلي كبتك على السن.
You
Tapos it's left. It's left, it's left, it's left.
I stop there. You okay?
ما في قوة يوم يسحب عليه فوق ما في قوة.
ايوه صح شيء على القص.
There, full. Yeah. When you go there, breathe.
Help him, yeah, when you have to up, help him.
Yeah.
25
Okay, down, rail.
Breathe.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it,
Give me.
Yeah, it's left. For him left, yeah.
تبغى الحزام عبد الله؟
لا لا.
Nice, Abdullah. Come on.
انت نايس. يو نايس يو.
عبد الله على ظهر. احسن لك الحساب. بعدين يوم تجي تنام
Okay, okay. There, my phone.
مشكلته هذه لا تكسر بعدين لكن يوم تنام. خلاص جاي؟
Wow, it's a big one. Namumuti na guys. I see color, I see color.
تعال شطه تعال.
Okay, it's not possible. What's here?
فوق الدوم
Up
لا
now.
تابو.
No.
Wow, big one. Good size. Wow! Woo!
ما شاء الله.
Now it's coming more bigger. It's coming more bigger. Kung hindi lang guys na unhook yung kay Abdullah, malaki sana. Pero maaga pa guys, maaga pa. We still have a lot of chance guys. Okay. So we already have 3. Okay. So guys, agis pre. Agis na pre. Baba pre. Abdullah.
Yeah.
Come here. Hold on. Come on. Move, 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 move.
اوكي يا عبد الله. اوكي يا عبد الله عايز صعبه. اوكي حسين صعبه. صعبه. يلا دخلنا الحزام دخل.
That's what I told you, boy.
النار من
That's
الحزام.
what I told you, my boy.
بام.
Hit up already.
عاش عبد الله يلا لا توقف عبد الله. لا تأخر لا تأخر.
Set now. Set now, set now, set now.
اوكي عبد الله لا تأخر. So we can tension don't lose attention.
Okay.
ماشي عبد الله لا ترخي ابدا. سير. منتج كبسك فوق هو منك
Yeah, no problem. More.
ما شاء الله كبير بعد.
Hey, come here, look at the video.
Again.
relax. حطها يا مستر.
You want belt, Jetro?
خليها هنا البداية. هذا من الزقزق خلي بالك.
Oh my.
روح قدام خلي عبد الله خليه.
Come forward, Jetro. Come.
It's quite difficult for me because it's left.
That is what we came for, no? Correct, Abdullah? That is what he's saying. That is what we came for.
Yes.
Come on. Okay, color.
Color. Color now. Wow!
Oo nga, tumutubod eh.
Oh, no more. Wala pa? Mashallah.
Buhol kasi to.
Woo! Nice one.
Pietro.
Ah, you just...
Ito. Give Gibson na. Gibson na.
Bigyan mo. Lalagyan ng ano.
Woo!
Lagay mo na.
Yes!
At mga mag-harvest na tayo.
Habis pa tayo! Medyo nahirapan ako dun guys kasi nga sa kanan yung reel. So kaliwa ako eh, so medyo nahirapan pero ayos na. Woo! Thanks God. Another one for Dia.
Line up, line up. Abdallah kabal لما ينفع على طول يلم.
Yeah, when you pull up, okay?
Down, reel. Aywa. Up. Reel, down. Aywa.
حول هندل يسار.
لا هو
Ah. Abdullah. Next.
You want me to help you, dear?
It's okay? Can you do it? Can you carry?
He wants to do it, let him do.
Yes.
If you need help, let us know, okay?
Yeah.
لا لا خير لا تخلينا
And then when you
نحط.
go down, you reel, yeah. And then pull.
Yeah.
قلت لك ما
لا، لا، ما ينفع.
تو ما يسحب يعني باقي السمكه مكانها. هو تو يتعب نفسه يطلع الخيط جالس. تو يطلع شوف
Yeah.
شوي
Going away. Okay? Slowly.
شوي فوق.
Give me.
Pass the... Sit now, Dia. Relax now. Relax now.
ايوه صح عبد الله.
Sit. Wow.
ما شاء الله.
Oh,
Oh,
come here.
ما شاء الله.
Mashallah.
ايوه. Only at
Top
Top water tail.
Oh man! Open the briefcase.
How many now? 6?
Yeah, I think.
I don't know.
Wow, dami. Okay. Guys, guess what? Kung gaano kalalim ngayon dito. Grabe. Dito ngayon, no? 2,000 meters. Oh my God, grabe. Woo. Okay, double strike tayo guys. Double strike. Abdullah and Erwin.
قدام.
Aywa, Erwin also there.
بس
Abel. Hey, stop. Okay. Hold breath. Yeah, hold breath here. Good one? Huh?
I don't know. Big strike, but I think same size.
Hold now. Aywa. Thank you. Oh! Oh! Wow! Double strike! Grabe! Woo! All in live baits, guys. All in live baits. Reel. Up. Reel. Yaiwa. Nice one. Come on. Go. Oh, okay. Wow. Nice one.
Nice size for Erwin. Okay. Reel. Up. Reel. Up. Reel. Slowly only. Don't make it so you not get tired easily. Okay. You landed this fish on your own. Okay. Come on. When you pull it up, 2 hands, then reel.
ونبغى نسوي له اياه خليه يطوف.
أيوة.
عمود تجيب معي واحده.
ايوه.
من لا
Yeah. More. Pre. Oh, front. More, Abdullah. More up. Ay, hindi din pala. Hop. Hop. Oh. Hop.
ماشي.
Nice one. Woo.
شوف
Oh, Frenzy, oh my god. Jumping high.
خير الله.
Wow.
ما شاء الله.
Woo. Now it's starting now.
Now it's the frenzy. Now I can do popping. Hey, where are you? You doing it? Digging again. Oh, no tuna here. والله هي طلعت قطعة زينة الوضع دي. ولا توحناك خلي ما في شيء.
ايه صار اثنين عند واحد.
هيك عملت دكتور
وبشتري من درس الثالث والناصر.
علي. حرام الوان كان. ايوه.
يوم واحدة عقبك يمد حسان فلوس اليوم. هيك اليوم كيف الدخل زي قبه.
ايوه.
ما عارف انه ويقشر من الزن
انزين.
ويشر يده. قلت له هذا صاحبك انزين.
ما شاء الله دكتور.
Video is on?
انزين. ايه. مو قال بعدين. You think you escaped? You changed.
Wow.
اقول لك مقاوي.
You think you will escape?
قلت له والله بيقاوي.
Awat Abdullah.
Hurting.
Why are you calling Abdullah?
No.
You want it?
Yeah. It's hurting.
It's hurting?
I- God.
Okay, fight.
Fight!
Fighting 2 kg tuna? Huh? 2 kg!
To all my followers there in Qatar, guys, if you want to experience tuna hunting, only here at Top Water Tail.
number 1! You got there also. Kaya mo yan, boy.
Big one or the same?
No, same.
Yeah.
أشو صورني.
Really? Same.
طلع هذاك. فيه قوه
This one,
يروح
let's just say
الجيم
10 kg.
يتعب كيف ما فيك عمر
Jetro already became red. Imagine if this one
كيف
is
ما فيك عمر
30 kg.
على
Maybe
طول
he'll
تموت
be part in the space. Color.
Not yet.
Yes, there is. There the color.
See already?
Yes. 10 meters.
Wow. Now,
2 kg. Number 1 at Lapis. No more queen.
no more queen here. Oh
no
my God,
more
it's big.
queen.
Kabir, kabir, kabir.
good size
Good size, good size.
Good size.
Good size, my boy.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh my God, it's heavy. Shit. It's heavy, boy. Woo! Oh my God, it's heavy. Buti guys, hindi ko na on yung camera kanina. Ang daming kuluan. Paghagis ko ng popper, strike, boom. Akala ko yung drag ko is around 80% na. Okay na yun. Hindi pa pala, kailangan talaga medyo mga 90% lang ng drag mo. Pagka strike, pitikin mo ng mga tatlong beses. Yun na. Pero yung paghatak ng tuna, pagkatapos umabante pala siya, hindi ko nahabol, nag-slack, yun, unhook. Sayang yun, malaki-laki sana. Pero mahaba pa naman yung oras natin guys, maaga pa. Time check po natin is 11 pa lang, so hanggang alas 3 tayo. So may 4 na oras pa tayo guys. Malaki pang chance natin na makadagdag. So ngayon naka 12 pieces na tayo. So chance.
هلا بوي
Okay.
Hello, boy.
Oh my.
Baby juice. Make a shot, couple. Number 1, Jetro. Hello guys. Kasalukuyan po ngayong mahatak si Jetro TV. Jetro number 1.
Okay guys, to all of my followers there in Qatar, who wants to experience extreme fishing adventure, and if you're hunting for tuna, there is only one place and company that will cater for you. That the Top Water Tails here in Oman guys. Oops. And you can say
1 million views.
this will be the best day of your life guys.
1 million views one day.
I will never miss the queenfish there in Qatar.
Spotted Trevally, huh?
That's
meters more. Oh, clear. Pump. Mashallah!
Oh my!
Same like Chris? Chris, small, no problem. Other captain! After 4 person, captain's 5.
نعم. انا جبناه من محمد ومخلينا هي السناره وقابلنا 4
Limax, no? Limax.
بس قلني كرس نمبر
Now go Philippines. Malalim pa pala.
Malalim po, ito po, baka ano yung ganyan.
Kita mo konti. Sige yan. Sige. Ay. Oh my God. Tapos tuloy ka nga kayo ni Momay gabi.
Ha?
Sigurado. Hindi ka makakausap.
Ganito, atakan. Noodles kayo ng sunod. Ayop na. We still have like around 50 meters guys.
Ha?
Oh my goodness.
Oo, mamag-islak pa yan. Shout out, Opak, Jetro, Mahatak, sa mga basher mo.
Hindi na to lapis guys. This is not a twin fish.
This is it na talaga.
This is it talaga. This is it guys. Oh, yan na.
Color.
Color.
Kapin, color. Do the honor. Taba.
The tuna is tied and also
Big
Oh my god. Ooh.
good size
Good size guys. Oh my god.
Good size.
Come on baby, come on up. Come here, come to papa.
Mashallah. Double digit, break. Double digit.
Yes.
Aywa. Double digit. Okay, kapulit na yan. Oh.
1,
2.
3. Oh my. Oh my guys.
Taban?
Taban guys.
Ah, this one only the other side.
Nice one. Oh, nice one. Nice one, Brad. This is it. this is it.
Heavy or it's okay?
It's okay.
It's not really.
لا شو التحمل؟
No loose, huh? Good, good, good. No problem. Whoa.
Siguro yung total ng isda na ng tuna na nakuha namin is around mga 14 pieces siguro.
هاي كلم.
Pero wala tayong masyadong malalaki. So katamtama na ng mga size siguro mga 7, 8, 9 or 10 na gano'n ng mga kilo. So panalo pa rin tayo guys. So ito, papakita natin lahat mamaya.
تدخلكم اياه يضبطوه.
Share namin sa inyo guys. Okay? Oh, wow. Ooh. May biggest ba no? I think it's more than
ايه عبود شوف شوف مين اللي جه شوف عبود شوف متروس شوف متروس
okay guys. So I think na-break ko na guys yung double digit ko na pangarap na isda guys. So ito na siya. Grabe, pinahirapan tayo kanina dito. So blessed na blessed tayo ngayon. Grabe. Nalo. At na guys, 0-0 po tayo. Angler nyo po, Jethro Malaboy in Oman. Species po natin guys, yellowfin tuna.
بعدين هو يشوف
والله 13 point 50 break.
13.50 guys. So na-break ko na yung double digit ko guys na pangarap ng fish.
Okay.
Woo! And can oh. Hanggang dito lang po guys yung video natin para sa araw na to. So ito po yung once in a lifetime natin na fishing adventure. Dito yan sa Oman. Okay? Dito yan sa Jebel Sifa. Alright, puro tuna guys ang nadali natin. Okay, so that's all. Just don't forget, spread love, always be happy, and just enjoy fishing. Bye bye.